boasting a 951 square metre parcel of land, allowing complete peace of mind as this property is flood zone free. From this location, you are on the eastern side of Gympie and within minutes drive to local shopping centres, schools and sporting facilities. With the new highway upgrades in place, this will also allow you a faster commute to the Sunshine Coast and Rainbow Beach. Whether you're searching for the entry-level home or possibly family home with investment avenue options, we have the perfect home for you based here in Gympie. Welcome to 9 Grice Crescent. The single-level home has a favourable layout that offers a functional flow throughout. With 3 sizable bedrooms, modern bathroom and a separate toilet which integrate to the spacious open-plan kitchen, dining and living. A beautiful log fireplace sits centred in the heart of the home, allowing all year-round climate control. The home is powered by a 5 kilowatt solar system with 20 solar panels in place. With multiple entertainment areas to utilise makes this home an entertainer's delight. A wrapped oasis that offers complete privacy with endless room for all the toys. So if you can see yourself enjoying the evening wind downs and memories made each weekend, then this property is a must to inspect. I look forward to seeing you at our first private inspection.